Hey, awesome doodles here. Let's draw a parrot step by step. So we're going to start with a curved line from the top of our page, and it's going to be like a U shape sideways. And then we do zigzag lines, some big and some small. Then we do a line just like this, kind of like a V shape that is also sideways. And then we're going to do a line like this and some zigzag line again all the way down. Now we do a circle and a tiny line like that and a small circle inside. Then we color black with our marker or colors, whatever you're using. And now we're gonna do another tiny shape just like that, and his beak is complete. Now we're gonna do another line going down like this, kind of like simulating the feathers, and we bring it all the way up. Then we do a line out like this, just like that. Then we do another zigzag line going in, and from the bottom we go up zigzagging and a little bit to the side. You can retrace some of the lines like I just did. Now we do some lines like this. It's kind of like doing an M, kind of upside down and on the side, of course. And we do it again and again. And then we do loops, 3 loop lines for the feet. And that's what we have so far. Fixing here. Let me do one more line here, one more line here. And I'm just retracing my lines, making them look a little bit more fluffy. Ah, look at our cute bird. Alright, now it's really time to color it. So I'm using the green shade. I'm just going around coloring. And remember, you can use markers or whatever you want. You can use crayons, colored pencils. So, ta-da! Ta-da! Now, I am using another type of green and I'm just kind of going around the edges. And with the same green, I'm gonna color all around his head. Just like this. Then we go down to his body and his wing. And then the tail. And then we do some more coloring around. Cool. Now I'm gonna use a yellow for the peak. And now I'm gonna use a little aqua blue color for his eye. And with the same aqua color, I'm just going around coloring the edges of our bird just to give it a little bit more of a kick. So it looks a little cuter. And with the same color, we just go around filling out all the other spots we didn't color before. And the edges, one more time. Cool. Oh, how about a little bit in his tummy? And how about here? He has a little cheek. And a little yellow on his foot. Oh, how about some hearts? Because he's adorable. So we're just gonna color those hearts. Cool. And now I am going around with my Sharpie, making some lines a little thicker. I kind of like to do that sometimes in my drawings. Just like this. And we're almost done. Ta-da! I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe and like it. And I will see you guys later. Bye!